Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Calculus type of a question from the topic of Analytic Study of a Line. Let's solve it together. So, if the length of AB is P plus 2, where A, the coordinates of the A are P minus 4 and 8, and the coordinates B is negative 1 and 5, find the value of P. So we will try to find the value of P. To solve this question, you would need to know the distance formula of given 2 points. If we call this x1 and this is y1 and this is x2 and the y2, the distance formula is y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1, and you will take a square root of this. This is how you find the distance of given 2 points. So let's put the values in. So the length of AB is given as P plus 2. So the distance is P plus 2. And we're looking for the value of P, remember? So I'm going to substitute the given values. y2 is 5 minus y1 is 8, and we'll take a square of this, plus x2 is negative 1 minus open parentheses P minus 4 and close parentheses, and take a square of this, and we'll take a square of both sides. I mean the whole thing. P plus 2 is equals to 5 minus 8 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is just positive 9. And let's simplify here. Negative 1, we will distribute this negative inside of the parentheses. That becomes negative 1, negative P plus 4. And we'll take a square of this. Negative 1 plus 4 is equals to 3. So this is 3 minus P and square. In this case, you need to know, we need to take a square of 3 minus P. This is not a number, so we cannot just say that it's 9 or 16 or 25, and we will expand this. But to do that, you will need to remember, if you are taking a square of A minus B, you take the first number square minus double when you multiply these two terms, A times B plus B squared. So this is how are we going to expand this. So I'm going to rewrite here. So 9 here. The first term is, look, A is 3 in here. A is 3 and P is B. So 3 squared is, open parenthesis, 9. And multiply these two together. 3 times P is 3P, double it, 6P and minus 6P. And the last term squared, negative P squared, is positive P squared. This is how we take a square of that. So at this point, we will need to take a square of both sides to get rid of this square roots. This square and the square root cancels each other out. And now I'm going to take a square of P plus 2 square. And remember, we had at A minus 1. So this time we have A plus B squared. First number squared plus 2AB plus B squared. And A is P and B is 2 in this case. So this, when you expanded it, it becomes P squared plus 4P, because 2 times P is 2P times 2, 4P, and 2 squared is 4, is equals to, let's combine the terms inside. 9 plus 9 is 18, and I'm going to give them an order. I would like to write the P square first. P square minus 6P and plus 18. If you would pay attention, you will realize that there are P squared on both sides. You can cancel them out and add 6P to both sides. And I'll continue the solution over here. 4P plus 6P is 10P. plus 4 is equals to 18. I'm going to take away 4 from both sides. And 10p is equals to 14. And we will divide both sides by 10 to get the value of p. Then the p is 1.4. The value of p is 1.4. There you have it. This is how you solve this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.